Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Navada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my next video lecture, and topic is the Eastern cities of India. Today, I will provide you my lecture from page number 64 to 65. In my previous video, as I have discussed you about Raipur, Ranchi, and now today I am going to talk you about Guwahati, Guwahati and Kohima. So now let us come to study the chapter. Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam. It is situated along the bank of river Brahmaputra. Along which river? Along the bank of river Brahmaputra. It is a major river port city. So Guwahati is called a major river port city. Assamese and Bangla are the main language that is spoken or that are spoken by the people in Guwahati. So now we come to know about climate. The summer are hot and humid, but the winters are mild and dry in Guwahati. Now we come to know about culture. When we talk about its culture, we can say that the colorful culture can be seen in its dance and music, which form an part of intelligent part of the culture. Bihu dance is the most important folk dance and it is performed during various cultural activities. It means cultural activities in Guwahati. This city is famous for its Muga silks. Now we come to know about food. When we study, we find rice is the staple food of the people of Guwahati. And when we want to go for tourist pleasure, we can say some places of tourist interest are Kamakhya Temple, a state museum, Srimant Sankaradev Kalyan Kshetra, and Forest Museum. The famous Kaziranga National Park is the home of Indian rhinoceros and it is situated near Guwahati. Now we come to know about fact file. Umanand Island. Yes, Umanand Island, which is the smallest river island, and it is located in the midst of river Brahmaputra, flowing through the city of Guwahati. The British named it as Peacock Island for its shape. So where is Peacock Island located? Peacock Island is located near Guwahati in the midst part of river Brahmaputra. Now we come to know about Kohima. Kohima is also the eastern state of our India. It is the capital of beautiful state Nagaland and it is located in the far distance, it means far most part of India. Now when we talk about its language, people in Kohima speak Angami, but English is also spoken widely here. And now we come to know about more in Kohima. So Kohima has very cold winters and pleasant summers. Nagaland is known as the land of festivals. Which state is known as the land of festivals? Nagaland. So Nagaland is known as the land of festivals. It is also home to various tribes. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated here in December to encourage inter-tribal relationship and to promote its cultural heritage. It is held every year in the month of December. It means Hornbill is celebrated every year in the month of December. There are many places to visit such as War Cemetery, Dizikov Valley and Jafu Peak. Like this, when we study, we find national heritage. It means we can say new heritage village and a peak. It means like this village and a picture a spot, the local food. Now we come to know about this local food. The local food is dominated by domesticated by a spices, colorful, non-vegetarian dishes. The Nagaland is famous all over India. Like Naga Sal, it means the sal of Naga is famous all over our country, India. Okay, thank you. Now read your chapter and try to solve your exercise. Have a nice day. Thank you.